this beautiful shade of इतना भी टूटा फूटा नहीं होना चाहिए था, but look at the box, guys. Hey guys, my name is Sudeshna and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in today's video, I have taken up a little outfit challenge. So the challenge is that I create a whole Navratri outfit, like a festive puja outfit under 2000 rupees, and this should include everything, and I mean everything from head to toe. So not just the outfit, it has to have shoes and accessories, and I think I did a good job. I still haven't tried any of these on, so even I don't know how they'll actually look. Without any further ado, let's get started. So first we're gonna start off with the outfit. I absolutely love this beautiful shade of dark pink when it comes to Indian festive wear, and this is a full set. So it comes with a dupatta, it also comes with pants and obviously a top. This is what the picture of the product looks like. So this is the top. Oh my god guys, look at that shade. It's such a pretty shade of pink, and I think you guys can even see it on the screen. Like, the camera is capturing the color so well. It's such a vibrant pink color, and I think it's going to be amazing for festivities. Even the material of this, obviously it's not going to be original silk, but it does look like a really pretty silk blend. It has this really lovely silky texture. I love that it's such a simple kurta, but because it kind of has that silk sort of look, it just makes it look really nice and expensive. In the front you have this simple gold design right here. It has 3/4 sleeves, and even on the sleeves you have this gold border. It comes with a matching pair of trousers, which again is in the same shade as the top, and even the material is the same sort of material, that silky sort of material. I honestly can't wait to wear it. And then of course the last thing is the dupatta. So this is what the dupatta looks like. Thank god the dupatta is in a different color. Wearing it like this, and look at that, like it has these really pretty like subtle designs on it. It's like gold on gold, and it has this like really shiny feel to it. On the edges of the dupatta, again it has a nice like little border design, and then it has these tassels. I'm not a huge fan of these tassels, but I don't really mind. Also guys, I just wanted to quickly mention that Amazon right now is having crazy deals every hour, so do check it out. Like, I got this full set in such a huge discount, and no, this video is not sponsored. And they also have amazing products which is there only for today's deals. So next we're gonna move on to the accessories, and you guys know how much I love this brand on Amazon, Zaveri Pearls. I have always bought so many different types of jewelry from Zaveri Pearls, and the price is ridiculously reasonable. I wanted the accessories to be nice and contrasting to the outfit, but also in a color that will match it really well, and this is what I chose. It's this really pretty green color jhumka earrings. So when I wear it, it's going to hang like, this is such a statement piece of earring. इतने बड़े हैं ये कि मुझे और किसी भी accessory की ज़रूरत नहीं होगी. And now we're gonna move on to the last part of the outfit, which is the shoes. I think shoes are very important when it comes to completing any outfit. Unfortunately, this is what the shoes came in. Hopefully the shoes will be of better quality as compared to the box. So this is the shoes that I had ordered. I absolutely love strappy heels like this, and they just look really nice and pretty. I love that they have very subtle designs on the heel. I think that looks really cool. Obviously I still haven't tried them on, so I can't really tell how the quality and how the fit is going to be, and I think it was like 500-600 rupees only. I can't believe I got these pretty strappy heels only for like that much. That is the complete outfit. It's time to try on the outfit, and let's see how it looks.
She's a Mona Lisa. Everyone's lining up to see her. She's a Mona Lisa. Everyone's lining up to see her. There must be something about her features. You'll find her beauty goes much deeper once you get to meet her. You see her walking down the boulevard. She got the posture of a superstar. She looks so fly in those Gucci slides. Yeah, I wonder what she hides under her disguise. Yeah. And all the girls around the world, they want.
So guys, that brings me to the end of this video. Let me know in the comments down below, did I pass or fail in this challenge? Also give this video a huge thumbs up if you guys liked it, and subscribe to my channel if you guys haven't already, and hit that bell notification so that you guys are notified every single time I upload a new video. Also, by the way, tell me guys, have you already started shopping for Navratri, Durga Puja? Let me know in the comments down below, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye!